Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on spatial audio on your AirPods. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, just open your AirPods and connect it to your iPhone. It's going to connect automatically, and when you put your AirPods in your ears, you can turn on the spatial audio by going to your control center. And at the control center, as you can see, because your AirPods are on, the volume setting is already going to show you that it is connected to your AirPods. It's going to show the AirPods logo. And if you want to turn on the spatial audio, you just have to tap on it and hold. And the spatial audio is going to be here on the right side. And you can turn it on to the fixed spatial audio setting or to the head tracked spatial audio. And that's pretty much it. It's that easy. If you want to turn it off, you just tap on off and done. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one.